Good morning. Myself Guruswami K, Assistant Professor in Physics. Now I am going to deliver 8th lecture on statistical physics. This concept comes under paper 6 of 3rd BSc, 5th semester, belongs to Kuvempu University. Now I am going to cover the topics like problems solved on BE distribution law, FT distribution law, and applications of BE distribution to deduce Planck's law of radiation. These formulas were used to solve some problems. Okay, now we are going to discuss recap of previous session, expression for BE distribution function, expression for FT distribution, and as well as FT distribution function. Learning objectives of this session. After the study of this session, the student should be able to understand to solve problems on basic concepts of statistical mechanics. Secondly, the applications of the theory and postulates of statistical mechanics, that is Bose-Einstein and Fermi-Dirac distribution law. Session outcomes. By solving the problems, student can understand the necessity of statistical approach, and secondly, the application of BE distribution law and application of FT distribution law. Now we are going to discuss the first problem. A system consists of 5 particles arranged in 2 compartments. The first compartment is divided into 6 cells and the second into 8 cells. The cells are equal in size. Calculate the number of microstates in the macrostate 2, 3 if the particles obey Fermi-Dirac statistics. Solution. The formula used is W of n1, n2 and so on nk, that is equal to summation over I gi factorial divided by ni factorial into gi minus ni factorial. This is the formula for FD statistics. Now the probability is equal to g1 factorial divided by n1 factorial into g1 minus n1 factorial. This is for first compartment, and into g2 factorial divided by n2 factorial into g2 minus n2 factorial. This is for second compartment. Since given n1 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 3 and g1 is equal to 6, g2 is equal to 8. Now substitute these values in the above formula and simplifying we get W of 2, 3 is equal to 840. Second problem. 2 particles are to be distributed in 3 cells. Find out the total number of possible ways both from formula and in tabular form if the particles obeys BE statistics or particle follows BE statistics. Solution. The formula used is W is equal to summation over I ni plus gi minus 1 factorial divided by ni factorial into gi minus 1 factorial. Here given ni is equal to 2 and gi is equal to 3. So substitute these values and solve, we get the thermodynamic probability or probability occupation W is equal to 6. This is according to the formula. Now we are going to represent the possible ways we are going to distribute these particles in a tabular form in 3 cells, say Ni, Nj and Nk as shown in the table. Next problem. 2 particles are to be distributed in 3 cells. Find out the total number of possible ways both from formula and tabular form if the particles follows FD statistic. Actually, here there is a mistake. This is problem 3rd, but here again problem 2 is repeated. This is problem 3rd. Solutions. Formula. Here the probability distribution or thermodynamic probability W is equal to summation over I gi factorial divided by ni factorial into gi minus ni factorial. This is FD statistics. So here number of cells is 3 and number of particles is 2. Now substitute these values here and simplifying we get thermodynamic probability as 3 This is according to the formula. We are calculating the actual number of ways we are going to distribute the particles in the given cells. Now, in the tabular form, we may represent like this in three cells Ni, Nj, Nk. Here, the particle is indistinguishable. No, thereby two particles are let it be taken as A and A. So here, let's one of A particle will be in the Ni cell and other one is Nj cell, and let it be Nk. There is no particle here, 0. Similarly, if we are repeating this, the first cell 0 and other two cells having a particle A, and third cell, third probability is the first cell there is a particle and the second cell no particle and third cell there is a particle. But here the particle distribution, that is AA, is not allowed because here the particles involved in FD statistics are fermions and obey Pauli's exclusion principle. According to Pauli's exclusion principle, no two electrons or the fermions can exist in the same quantum state. Thereby here this probability of distributing or accommodating the two particles in the same cell if the particles obey Fermi-Dirac statistics is not allowed. Thereby only three ways we are going to distribute the two particles in three cells. Next problem is, a system consists of 5 particles arranged in 2 compartments. The first compartment is divided into 6 cells and the second into 8 cells. The cells are equal in size. Calculate the number of microstates in the macro state 2, 3 if the particles obey BE statistics. Again, the formula for thermodynamic probability obeying BE statistics is this. Already we are solving some problems on this. So now here N1 is equal to 2 and N2 is equal to 3. G1 is equal to 6 and G2 is equal to 8. Substitute these in the above relation. Here two compartments is there. This is for the first compartment and this is for the second compartment. And substituting this and simplifying, we get the thermodynamic probability corresponds to the macro state 2, 3 as 2520. These are the suggested references to solve these type of problems, and some exercise problems are also there. You can refer these textbooks. Thank you.